Stop by and take a look at the 2016
Chrysler 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market
and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options:
backup camera,
anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry,
steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth,
power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.